Now to the left and 2.3 kilometers straight, and to the right. Oh shit. I will try to make Google Maps tell me where I need to go, What did he show me? Alright, the turning radius, typical sport bike. Alright, it told me to go to the left. Alright. Does it have the... Oh yeah, it does. I'm already way too late. I won't get there. In 1 minute I need to be there. Shit, I hope they're not too mad. Cannot wait on the light. No, they won't let me ride another time. They will call me soon, I'm sure of it. But do you think 10 minutes is bad? Like 10 minutes later? Now it told me 2.7 kilometers straight. I hope I made it louder. I believe here I need to go to the right. Svolta destra. And I do it. Shit. Now I don't hear anything no more. I hope right is the right one. If I saw correctly, 6 kilometers. Fuck, I'm way too late. I should have never gone on the highway. God, why? Why am I so stupid? Six kilometers when I'm riding 80 kilometers an hour. 6 kilometers, now probably 4. It might take me a few minutes. What a nice car. Is that a Corvette? Yeah, it is a Corvette. But it's a nice road right here. Very nice. 60, come on, why 60? 60 is such a low limit for this road. Imagine with the race suit scratching, dragging me here. Nah, it's a little bit too wide. You cannot do it. Or a little bit too narrow. But I truly love it. I love this bike. I already feel at home. I will make myself a offer for this bike. Maybe I will get a good offer and then I might swap bike. I'm grateful, BMW. Now I'm already almost 10 minutes late. I need to make some time good. And luckily I'm on a motorcycle, so that's not too difficult. If I was on a car, no way I would make up some time, but right now I sure hope I will make some time. I do not know anything in this area. I'm just riding when and so when the maps tells me. 80 on such a road, it's way too nice of a road. He didn't see me. Now 1.5 kilometers on this road. I believe I might just make this one a pure sound of how I go back, since you guys probably, some of you missed the pure sound videos, but I truly feel at home. I feel so at home. Okay, in 150 I need to take the second exit on the roundabout, so second, so there. Oh yeah, Vejan, there it's written. somehow I believe the chain is a little loose, because at some shift it wobbles the whole bike. But truly an amazing bike. I do not have anything to say, anything bad. The vibrations are not that bad. The everything is just great. Like everyone that has one of these, you made the right decision. BMW is my favorite brand. Be it for cars, be it for bikes. Together with Aprilia for the bikes. But on cars, BMW is my favorite. On bikes, also one of my top 2, top 3. So I truly love it. Kilometers, if I ride 60 kilometers per hour, I would ride 1 kilometer a minute. So if I ride 100, I would make 1.5 kilometers a minute. So if I have another 8-9 minutes, I have around 8-9 more minutes. So I will be there at 50 at least. Of course, now I already made a few kilometers. But here on the double R, you see something through the mirrors. Thank you, my brother. Like, car drivers are just so respectful here. Like, they truly they enjoy, or they let you pass. Most of them, of course, not all of them, like this one here, but 90% let you pass. They make way for you to pass them. But oh man, is this bike good. So actually there is 50, so let's go 50. So guys, when you're in the city or in a village like this, please go the speed limit. It's a thing about safety here, like if a child runs out, of course on the normal road like here, outside, there's nothing there. Alright, I'm hoping I'm still on there. I'm already going to be 20 minutes later than I started actually. But I hope they won't be too mad. No, Vajon doesn't stand on the sign. Oh yeah, there it is! Vajon! We made it! We made it! We made it! Oh, 50. Here's 50. Here's 50, guys. Something just flew into my eye. Fuck. But now I'm in Vajon. But from what I saw, it's quite a big place. But wait 1 minute. Does this have a pit lane limiter? Nope, it does not. No pit lane limiter. But who needs a pit lane limiter? But I'm in Vajon. Well, I need to say the clutch is set a little bit so that you have to let go of the whole clutch until it moves. Okay, now I need to take the third exit, and very soon I should be there. Oh yeah, I already see the BMW. I truly love this bike. I truly love it. I found here and it didn't take me 25 minutes, and now I know where to go. All right.